Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Hope you all are fine and safe. This vlog you will get to see how I spend a day in my life. I'm working as a teacher. It's not that easy to manage work and home at the same time. My day starts at 5 in the morning. Usually I finish cleaning work at the morning itself. When you find the environment around you is completely clean, that would definitely help you to improve your mood and provide us with a complete sense of satisfaction. I must say about this spray mop, it's my lifesaver. You just have to pour the diluted cleaning liquid into this bottle and then spray it using the handle. Just press it. The floor becomes completely clean. And again, you just have to refill the bottle with the water and mop the floor. If you have the spray mop at home, that would definitely save a lot of time. As it was getting late, so thought to prepare a simple breakfast, which was spicy bread toast. So for that I have taken around 2.5 cups of fresh milk. To that I have added half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 cube of chicken stock. That would give a nice flavor to the toast. For this recipe I am not adding any salt, as the chicken stock already had enough salt in it. Then I have added 1 teaspoon of thyme leaves. That's completely optional. And now mix all the ingredients until the chicken stock gets completely dissolved. In case if the chicken stock is not getting dissolved quickly, just heat the milk in an oven for about 2 minutes. Or else you can even use warm milk. Once the chicken stock gets dissolved completely, then add 2 eggs. And mix the eggs well. Now dip the bread into the mixture. Make sure it's dipped well. And put it on a griddle. Make sure the griddle is on a low flame. Repeat the same process for the other breads as well. On my griddle I can toast 3 breads at a time. Now add some ghee or butter to it. This is just to enhance the taste. After 2 minutes, just flip to the other side. Sure it's cooked evenly and let it be on a medium flame. Keep flipping the sides until you find it completely cooked. Now my breads are completely cooked. Now remove it and keep it aside. For this toast you can use any ingredients of your choice, such as pepper powder, oregano. That would also give a nice taste to this toast. Now our spicy bread toast is ready to be served. This spicy bread toast goes well with mayonnaise and chili garlic sauce. It tastes even more better when it is served hot. After having my breakfast, I started preparing lunch, as I have classes in the afternoon. I didn't record the lunch preparations because I was already getting late for the classes. On that particular day when I recorded this video, I was having online classes. Because of this pandemic, it's just like some days we need to go to school and some other days we need to just stay at home and do work from home. I must say this online teaching is way more harder than face-to-face teaching. And it's way more difficult for the teachers as we need to learn a lot of new stuffs. I think this is a kind of new and good experience for all the teachers, where we get to learn a lot of new things about technologies. But the disadvantage of this online teaching is we don't get that kind of connection and bond with the students that we get while face-to-face learning at school. I personally felt that. And this online system is very difficult for most of the parents as they are working and they need to keep on monitoring their child if they are focusing or not. But we don't have any other choice other than to opt online learning. Let's hope and pray that this pandemic would end soon and our lives would get back to normal once again. Once the classes are over, need to prepare lesson plans and worksheets for the next day. And also have to check the homeworks of the students. That's the most difficult part as we need to check it online. As I have more than 200 students in different sections and I teach 2 subjects. And in this vlog I have included Bihun Goreng recipe, which is a very famous street food in Singapore and Malaysia. And the main ingredient of this dish is rice vermicelli. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 2 cups of cabbage, 1 carrot, 1 capsicum and 1 onion. Some shrimps, 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 200 grams of rice vermicelli, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's get started. To a pan, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. For this recipe, you need to add more oil. That would give a nice taste to this recipe. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste into the oil. Now mix it well until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, now add the roughly chopped onion to it and saute it well until it changes its color slightly. For this recipe you need to be very careful. You don't have to overcook the vegetables, as the vegetables have to be crunchy while eating. Once the color of the onion slightly gets changed, add some salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder to it and mix it well. Then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste to it and mix it well. Now adding 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Give it a nice mix. Then add about 1.5 teaspoons of oyster sauce and give it a nice mix. Then adding 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. You can skip this step in case if you don't want it more spicy, as we have already added around 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now add all the vegetables. Here I am adding 2 cups of cabbage, 1 carrot and 1 capsicum. You can use any veggies of your choice. Make sure not to overcook the vegetables. It should be crunchy while eating. Just saute it on a high flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now add some shrimp pieces. You can also use some chicken pieces instead of shrimp if you want. Now mix all the ingredients well on a high flame. Make sure to put the shrimp pieces after putting the vegetables, as the shrimp pieces would get cooked quickly. Now take a bowl full of hot water. As I was also cooking rice at the same time, so I drained some water from the rice and kept it for cooking vermicelli as it was hot. Now add around 200 grams of vermicelli into the hot water and leave the rice vermicelli in the hot water for about 2 minutes. Do not leave the rice vermicelli in the hot water for more than 2 or 3 minutes. If you do so, the rice vermicelli would become sticky. And keep on mixing the vermicelli in the hot water for about 2 minutes so that it gets cooked evenly. Now the vermicelli is cooked perfectly. Now drain the water completely from the rice vermicelli and leave it on a strainer for about 2 minutes. That the water gets drained completely. Keep spreading the rice vermicelli so that they don't stick to each other. So after 2 minutes, immediately add the rice vermicelli to the mixture that we prepared earlier and mix it well. You can also use a fork to mix it easily. Now the rice vermicelli is mixed well along with the other mixture. Now leave it on a low flame for about 2 minutes. Finally, add some coriander leaves before switching off the flame. And give it a nice mix. Now our delicious Bihun Goreng is ready to be served. Hope you all liked this vlog. And do try these recipes at your home and send me your valuable feedbacks. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Ingredients of each recipes are given in the description box below. Please do check it out. Thank you all for watching.